Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials: paper, a straight edge, scissors, and a low-tack adhesive like removable putty or 1/2 double-sided tape. First, choose your note size. 3x3 is standard, and mark lines with a pencil. Then cut a small stack of identical sheets. Make 10 to 20 to start so you can test. Once done, keep the edges aligned and smooth. Small miscuts interfere with peeling. Make sure to work on a flat surface so sheets stay square. Now you'll form the removable edge. Place a thin strip of low-tack putty or removable tape along one short side of the top sheet. Press for 10 to 15 seconds while aligning the stack so the adhesive bonds evenly. Why this matters: a narrow, consistent adhesive strip lets notes peel one at a time without tearing. Once the strip is set, flip the stack over and press the opposite side lightly to flatten. Make sure to remove any excess putty that bulges out. Finish by trimming any uneven edges and testing a note on a clean vertical or horizontal surface. If it peels smoothly, you're done. If notes fall off or tear, the fix is simple. Increase the adhesive width to 1/4 inch or replace the putty with a fresh strip, then press firmly for 15-20 seconds. Also, make sure the surface is clean and dry because dust and humidity weaken tack. Once solved, store your pad flat to keep the adhesive consistent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.